What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or you're pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. Welcome to the FPV Beachfront Challenge, where I sent 4 of my drones to see which one rules the shores. And I hope you help me decide which one by watching and commenting. And this is Neil J. And right now, whoa, that was another drone. Did you see that? Look at it. Okay, it's time for the GEPRC Mark5, the 5-inch, the Freestyle Powerhouse. Let's see how it performs today. I'm gonna go ahead and send it. Alrighty, it's ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it, and let's go.
Goggles on, the world fades to blue. No more fear.
Alright, here it is. The 5-inch, y'all.
I need some time away from solid ground. I know a place where freedom can be found. So
oh
if
wow,
you don't mind,
it's like nothing. It's not like I'm flying on the beach. Not at all. It has all this power and it's very strong.
let's go. So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare. We're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. It's amazing. I mean, you want the power, it's there.
Oh, I'm living the dream.
Here it is. Look at it.
The sun is up and now the fleet's alive.
Look at this.
The Master 3X's dive from Nevada to safety to the Mark5 rolls.
Yeah, man.
So send it up, send it high in
It has a lot more power than what I need. Literally.
like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare. We're gonna fly this FPV everywhere. He's droning.
Hey, just chasing waves like nothing.
The Mark5's my freestyle powerhouse under my control. The secret 35's a demon, speed is its goal. The Master 3X makes precision its role. The Avid I2's the king of the safe patrol. Yeah, it's all about using the right tool for the goal.
Like literally like nothing. Let's go ahead and buzz the tower.
Headed straight
Whoa.
where the fool you'll see. Now I'm skimming the water, tasting the spray. In the golden light, these dives and spins where freedom.
Look at that.
I'm living the dream. So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow,
I love the way it flies.
we're gonna fly this FPV.
Look at that. I'm going in the water like I'm not even worried about it.
In the air, there is no need to rush. Aircraft mode's a dangerous, tempting game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name. A crash is just a memory.
Wow.
Skimming the waves in a risky flight, flips and power loops in the golden light. These dives and spins where freedom begins. Oh, I'm living the dream.
beautiful.
We're gonna fly this FPV.
Just beautiful drone right here.
Twisting through the sky, feeling the rush in the air. There is no need to rush. Acro mode's a dangerous, tempting game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name. A crash is just a
Nice.
memory in the making. But right now, this moment, there's no mistaking. We don't care, we don't care.
Whoa.
If I crash into the
Beautiful.
sea or tree, it's a memory for us, a story for you.
I mean, I'm very confident to do whatever maneuvers I wanted to here. Very confident.
I turned around, headed for the ground, weaving through the trees.
I mean, it's giving you that power where you don't have to worry about anything. So you get to do whatever maneuvers you like.
Alright, pilots, a truth you should see. Learning this skill was so hard.
Without worrying so much.
My ego, it made me humble. Why spend this cash just to fall and to fumble? But now
All right, so people are fishing here. I don't want to catch one of those fishing lines.
it touches the sky. Oh, I'm living the dream. So send it up, send it high into
Nice.
the air. We're gonna fly.
Nice on ice.
Don't care from the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare. We're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
This thing is amazing, y'all. I love it.
Oh, I'm living the dream.
Yeah, so I got low battery. I better bring it back.
Into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care from the sun.
I usually even wait till 350, but not on top of the water for obvious reasons. Whoa, that was another drone. Did you see that? Look at it. That's not me. Someone else tried flying the drone here. Let me land it because I have no battery no more. The wind, y'all, the wind. Look at that. Struggling in the wind. Okay, come closer. Don't be shy. All right, here it is. It's back, and it was a beautiful drone, man. It was like, I think it was an FPV. It was an FPV drone. I might need to go check it out in a minute. All right, here it is. It's back. Let me know what you think about the 5-inch. Do you think it did well today? Please leave your comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I really want to hear your opinion about the 5-inch. The 5-inch is the best or not to be on the beach. I want to hear your opinion. Flying FPV Beachfront Challenge. I'll be flying next on DJI Avara 2. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.